Gas smoke. In the cage of beastliness, I am a fallen ring. I seek deeper and deeper, and clank with fear, looking for a newborn. I wonder, where are my father and mother? In search for the cut wings, I found only darkness in the abyss. It was flying around me and put its hands onto my chest. It has torn my heart and placed it into a rug. Cracked with fear, in a rounded ceiling of a chamber, with the drops of gas, I've spread the roots which melted the skin of my body. I'm choking. I have lost the sight of Anne Frank and the wheel at the sunspan that moves the dreams with that rattle through the air. Everything disappeared in a second. Only the last song of a mortal is chittering. How hard it is to carry the death on your own hand.